Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting into the course that holds the metal cap. This is the only place the cap spawns. Once inside, move directly to the metal zone entrance and clear nearby hazards so you can focus. Make sure your camera and movement controls are responsive. Poor camera often ruins the initial grab. If you already practiced the long jump once, you'll save time. From here, approach the metal block area where the cap will appear after activation. Once you've reached the metal block region, activate the switch that turns the blocks metallic. This is what spawns the metal cap. After activation, move immediately toward the block with the cap and use a well-timed jump or long jump to intercept it, since the pickup window is short. Make sure to avoid enemies that knock you off. Getting hit will reset the window. Remember why? The metal state changes your physics so you can sink or resist hazards for specific objectives. With the metal cap on, immediately perform the task it enables. Sink to reach coins, anchor against currents, or pass through magnetic hazards. Once done, move out of the metal block region so the cap can drop normally. If the cap disappears or won't spawn, reload the area or intentionally lose a life to reset the room. This forces the game to respawn the cap. Make sure your timing and movement are consistent, and retry the activation sequence if anything goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.